Over the past few months, I've been taking L's on a bunch of recent sneaker releases from Jordan Brand, Nike, and Adidas. I've lost full faith in the system, so as you've been seeing in my past few videos, I've been fulfilling my sneaker buying habits by deal hunting at local retailers and online stores. For you guys today, I have this pair of adidas NMD R2s. These NMDs are primarily composed of this light gray marled fabric material. To the untrained eye, this seems like a very simple sneaker. However, there are so many small details that make this sneaker unique, starting with the concealed 3 stripes on the uppers in this 3M reflective material that can only be seen under flash. That same 3M reflective material in a navy blue color can be found on the back heel of the shoes. While we're back there, you can see that the back tab of these reads 3 stripes in English and Japanese. It is important to note that every single NMD you buy is different as far as the language of the text goes, with Japanese usually being the most desired. Moving down to the Boost sole, you'll notice this gray patch on the insides of the shoes, as well as this pinkish color contrast patch to the navy blue on the outsole. There is no insole to the sneaker, just this lining that essentially connects straight to the Boost sole. As far as sizing goes, I would definitely go true to size. I'm usually a 9.5 and these are a 10, and there's a little bit of room, so I'll probably throw in an insole to have them fit better. Moving back to the uppers, you can find the most important details of the sneaker. No, it isn't the navy blue laces, but it is the patchwork moving up the laces on the tongue. The right sneaker has your typical Adidas logo, while the left one has this ampersand, and that lining on the footbed has that same exact logoing. After doing some research on these, I found out that they were a collaboration between Adidas and the Japanese retailer United Arrows & Sons. They released in January of 2018 alongside a bunch of collaborative apparel pieces, as well as an NMD City Sock 2 model that looks very similar to the R2s that I have. Both sneakers had a suggested retail price of $220, which is a steep amount in my opinion. United Arrows is a massive fashion retailer based in Japan. United Arrows & Sons is the streetwear focused sub-label of the larger United Arrows company. Based in Tokyo, United Arrows & Sons is led by creative director and buyer Motofumi Kogi, or famously known by his nickname of Pogi. Pogi is an icon in streetwear and fashion, and if you search him on the internet, you could get a better glimpse into his impact in the fashion industry. Given all that info, I honestly was kind of shocked to find these in a Marshalls. I wouldn't say they're super rare or limited, but they definitely aren't your run-of-the-mill sneakers that you would run into at a Marshalls. I've been getting really lucky at my local Marshalls between these NMDs and the recent pair of 1 of 36 Boston Marathon New Balance 574s that I picked up. Be sure to check that video out because it's quietly getting a decent amount of views. Part of the game of buying sneakers at Marshalls is you never know what you're going to get. But on that note, these were sitting on a clearance rack, so unfortunately the store disposed of the box on these. While it isn't a massive deal breaker for me given the $48 I paid for them, the collector in me is punching air right now because the box would have made this complete. With or without the box, this is definitely a pair I'm going to get a lot of wears out of. I like these a lot, and it's interesting to me that they look like a combination of sneakers. The flimsiness of the uppers reminds me a lot of a Roshi run. The chunkiness of the Boost sole on these NMDs are extremely similar to that of the Yeezy 350 Boost. And for some reason, this gray coloring reminds me a lot of the Allbirds sneaker that has been gaining a lot of popularity. Resale for these is not good, which is totally fine with me. If you like this pair, you can hop on the internet and grab them for way under retail. Given how many NMD collaborations exist, let alone generally release NMD colorways and variations, I love that nobody would know what these are when I wear them around. But that wraps it up for this video. Let me know what you guys think of these United Arrows & Sons NMDs in the comments below. Would you pay $220 for them? Have you run into anything similar at your local Marshalls? I love to read about it. If you support what I'm doing, feel free to drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.